everybody, and welcome back to my CVS haul. CVS was kind of a flop, I thought, earlier this, like when I was doing my breakdowns and stuff, and I'm like, man, there's really like hardly any good deals. And then, like, you know, then when I woke up this morning, depending on other, I always look again because you can always find more deals. And then I'm like, oh, I got this CRT that I can use, and I can use this CRT. So it ended up being okay. I mean, it's pretty low out of pocket for me, so I was pretty excited about that. But I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. So the first deal is not the greatest deal, but in case you guys want to go ahead and do this, I'm just trying to get as much Ibotta money as possible just because I want to hit the 75 rebates. So I'm trying to push Ibotta like crazy. I wanted to get some renews-its, but I totally forgot about it. I had it written down, totally forgot about it. Not a big deal. But I ended up getting the 2-pack of the Crest Brilliance. Now these were $6.99, or you could get the single boxes for $6.99. I thought these were a better deal. I did scan the Ibotta app and it worked. That Ibotta deal does end in a couple days, so just giving you guys a heads up. But these were $6.99. I had a $3 off a 2 digital coupon that I used. So, and I also had a 4 off of 14 toothpaste CRT. So this came out to be just $6.98. And then I got a $4 extra care buck. Plus you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate and a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $2.48 or $1.24. So basically, if it's $1.24, then it's like, I don't know, 60 something cents for it. So it's up to you guys if you want to do that. I'm just really pushing the Ibotta deals because it does come out to be free, and I think I got 50 cents anyways from hitting a specific level, so I got that. I ended up getting the Progresso soup. This soup was 2 for $3. I got chicken noodle, which I'm excited to do, and broccoli cheese. Now I actually have some broccoli that I'm going to add to it. I'm going to steam some broccoli and add right to it, so I thought that'd be a good deal. So these were 2 for $3. If you guys buy 3 of them, you get a $1 extra care buck, making them just $2. So if you guys need to go ahead and get some soup, go for it and get some soup. Okay, I got the hauls things. I'm not a hauls person. I've never been a hauls person. It's because it's got that weird flavor to it and I don't like it, but I have yet to try these. These are the ones that say it has no menthol flavor, so I'm excited to try these. I just haven't been sick enough where I needed cough drops yet. But these were $2.79. They were buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $4.18 for this, but then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck back, making them just $2.18 or just $1.09. So I'm like, it is gonna get cold season, so pretty good deal. If you guys need to get some hauls. Now I had a 4 off of 6 CRT, okay? And I needed a card, and you guys know what, like, I like getting people cards, but I don't like spending a lot of money. People who spend a lot of money on cards, for me, you don't need to. I'm fine if you get a cheap Dollar Tree card. I don't care. But I know, like, you know, some people like to buy really nice cards, which is nice, and there are cards that I keep, but I'm cheap, you guys. You know this. But I ended up getting a card for 99 cents. This is a card that I'm going to give to somebody. So I got that for 99 cents. I ended up getting this ribbon for $1.29. And then I ended up getting 4 bags, and these were 49 cents. So they came out to be $4.24 for all 6 of these items. So after using the $4 CRT, these come out to just 24 cents. I've been collecting these bags. These are something I'm going to use for the future. I just put them in my little box that I have with all gift bags and stuff. And I'll put these in here because I'll probably use these for Christmas time. So I actually have a pile going of those bags that I got to put away. So I'm going to put this in a special spot because I will be using that very, very soon. I wanted to look for the 90% off stuff for Walgreens. I really wanted the 90% off, but it didn't bring up 90% off. And it's either they didn't have enough or they were trying to trick you and they might surprise you. I don't know. Not a big deal. My store didn't have very much 90% off or very much summer stuff anyway, so I'm not heartbroken at all. But now I did do another deal, and I'm going to share with you guys on this. I am not going to write down the breakdown for this because it is way too confusing. And so just be prepared if you guys are doing this. Pay attention. So I ended up getting, I had 3 CRTs, or I had like 2 CRT, or 1 CRT that was expiring today for Suave, $2 off of 2. So I wanted to use that. I had a $1 off app coupon and I had a 50-cent off app coupon. I wanted to get the Suave body wash because I had a body wash coupon too, but my store was completely out of Suave body wash. But anyways, I ended up getting the Suave men's shampoo. This was $4.69. I ended up getting the women's Suave shampoo. This was, again, $4.69. Okay? I also got the OG X. I have yet to try this. I've had one sitting at my desk. I just have to bring it upstairs. But I'm excited to try this. I have never gotten this stuff, and I've gotten it twice in the last couple weeks. But these were $8.79. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I had a 2 off of 2 that were printed from the red machine. And then I also had a 4 off of 2 OGX CRT. And I had a 4 off of 18 shampoo conditioner CRT. So I used these and those for my $18, okay? And then I also got CoverGirl mascara. Now these were $9.99. They were buy one get one 50% off. I used 2 $3 off insert coupons that we got today, plus I had a 3 off of 15 CRT for CoverGirl. So I got those, right? My total for all that stuff came to $15.05. For all 6 items, it came to $15.05. I did receive $10 back because if you spend $25, you get a $10 gift card. One thing I like about those is those don't ever expire. So you guys can hold on to that gift card for a very long time. I always wait until I absolutely need it, but it's pretty good. It's just a basic gift card. And then you guys can actually submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta and a $1 rebate with Ibotta. Like I said, I'm really pushing rebates right now. But my grand total for all 6 items came to be $3.05. This is 51 cents a piece. So I think that's a pretty good deal. You know, you got some mascara and everything. And I also did qualify for beauty. I think I got like $50 worth of beauty if you include the shampoo, conditioner, and then the CoverGirl. Oh, and I forgot to share with you guys another deal that I forgot. So, yeah. And then the last deal I ended up getting was this Maybelline lipstick. Now this was $7.99. I used a $4 off CRT that is printed from the red machine today. I didn't have any makeup CRTs, which is still not a big deal. But I paid $11.98 for the both of these. But then you get $5 when you buy 2 of them. And you guys can submit a $2.10 rebate with Ibotta and a $2.10 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $2.78 or $1.39. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. I actually got something a little bit brighter. I thought this might be a really cool, it's a bright pink, but I'm like, I might use it. I might use it. We will see. We will see. So I got those 2 items, you know, for that. So like I said, I got about $50 worth of beauty. So my grand total came to 42 cents. I had to pay 42 cents for everything. I ended up getting $5.70 back with Ibotta. That was 3 rebates that I got. Yes, 3 rebates that I got. I used $29 of extra care bucks, but then I received $22 back. I will be receiving $3 or $6 for beauty. depending on what I tracked from last time, but it'll just depends, but I don't factor that in this haul. But my grand total came to $1.72. I got 20 items at just 8 cents a piece. I think that was a pretty great deal. Excited for the deals that I got. I'm excited to try this lipstick. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See ya. Bye-bye.